past simple tense grammar quiz. Which sentence is correct? Choose the correct sentence in the past simple tense. I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. Let's go. Is it A, I eated breakfast this morning? B, I ate breakfast this morning? C, I eats breakfast this morning? Or D, I eating breakfast this morning? The correct answer is B, I ate breakfast this morning. Number 2. Is it A, she didn't went to the party last night? B, she doesn't go to the party last night? C, she didn't go to the party last night? Or D, she don't went to the party last night? The correct answer is C, she didn't go to the party last night. Number 3. Is it A, he wrote a letter yesterday? B, he writes a letter yesterday? C, he wrote a letter yesterday? Or D, he writing a letter yesterday? The correct answer is C, he wrote a letter yesterday. 4. Is it A, did you saw the movie last night? B, did you seen the movie last night? C, did you sees the movie last night? Or D, did you see the movie last night? The correct answer is D, did you see the movie last night? And 5. Is it A, he made us dinner last night? B, he maked us dinner last night? C, he was making us dinner last night? Or D, he made us dinner last night? The correct answer is A, he made us dinner last night. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more grammar quizzes.